Hey everyone, welcome to Parda Live. This is me, Aneko Magan. So I kind of watched this new teaser, official teaser of Kaduva. Which means tiger. So that was the translation or subtitle given for the title Kaduva in Malayalam. So Kaduva starring the amazing actor, you can say he's an amazing superstar as well. He's an amazing actor. I loved watching him in this particular film called Kurudi, Ayappanum Koshiyum, and a lot of other films here. He's been acting from last 15 to 17 years, if I'm not wrong. His name is Prithviraj Sukumaran. Yes, guys. So the film stars Prithviraj Sukumaran. It is also produced by him and Magic Frames, which is owned by Liston Stephen. So Magic Frames, they are known for producing some amazing content in Malayalam cinema. Their movies have knack of great writing, great screenplay, and there was one film, Traffic, I guess, amazing film. It was produced by them, and it was eventually remade in Tamil and Hindi. So that was one of a kind of a gem here. You must go and check it out. For the production house, they boast an amazing knack for producing such an amazing wholesome content. But this film looks like an wholesome commercial package, with its treatment, with its teaser introduction. It looks like an amalgamation of all these commercial films from Tamil cinema, Telugu cinema, or you can say all Mohanlal cinemas. Not all, a specific Mohanlal movie. That kind of a star power it will carry, I guess. Or probably we can see Prithviraj doing some anti-hero stuff or some kind of a villainism in this particular film. It is directed by Shaji Kailas. His name is Shaji Kailas. I have not watched any film of his, though he has directed Ajit Kumar in some Tamil film. I am not sure what is the name of the film either. Then compared to that, I'm quite excited for its soundtrack, composed by Jakes Bejoy. Jakes Bejoy is one of the most acclaimed music composers in Malayalam cinema, though he's not actively doing songs, but his BGMs, his theme music and everything, it's international kind. I would say it's international kind, and the flavor he carries with these BGMs, they are top notch. You can't be like, you love them, you love them. I have knack of loving all these theme music, all these BGMs, in this hero oriented movies. They have to be on point. They have to have that snatching your attention kind of a point. That attractive factor should be there. So that is there in his music. So that's nice. Then again, it is written by Jinu V. Abraham, I guess. I am not sure what he has done in Malayalam film industry. So quite awaited what he has in store with this particular film, because writing is very important at the end of the day. Then DOP, that is director of photography or cinematography, is by Sujit Vasudev. So you might be knowing about Sujit Vasudev. He did cinematography for Drishyam and Papanasam. So he's quite well-known cinematographer in Malayalam film industry. But we know him through Drishyam. So that's different case. So Drishyam and everything has changed the whole scenario for Malayalam films. But Malayalam films, they upstage, or they can we can say with guarantee that each and every film is a classy film. They try to better themselves each and every week, each and every week. So they try to better each and every week. So I hope Kaduva is a film which betters the release of the previous week, and at the same time, let's wait for its official release at the theaters. And until then, I'll come with more Malayalam movie reviews and Malayalam movie trailer reaction, song reaction, and Hridayam. Definitely we'll be doing a movie review of Hridayam and the whole soundtrack review of Hridayam, because Hridayam was not one of the most awaited films for me before, but after I heard its first single and after watching its teaser and all these things, I kind of quite excited for it, and at the same time really hoping that film turns out well, because it's very much important for Malayalam cinema, the new age Malayalam cinema, because it is directed by Vineet Srinivasan. So the new age Malayalam cinema lovers and cinema goers should support that movie as they supported Kurup. So hoping to see you guys with more Malayalam content on our channel. So until then, please support us and Adipoli. So we'll be doing Adipoli stuff. So until then, see you guys. Bye, and hope you have great time whatever you're doing.